we're doing our garden today, and yes, so we want to plant vegetables here. Welcome, and let's see what we got here. So we have a djembe here. This is our djembe. This is what we are going to use to prepare this seedlings bed. We want to plant some vegetables here, some kales, some cabbages, and some tomatoes. Yeah, so that's what I'm doing today. Just preparing, making it ready for the planting to take place. So just come around and show the people how it is. We're going to take this rake here. Are you still filming? Okay. Whew, I'm telling you, this work, this is a lot, and the sun is shining, man. It's a lot of work. But very soon we shall have some green veggies here. I'll do a video to show you what we got here afterwards. Yeah, so it's summertime, and it's planting time. So it's raining, we have the sun, and it's the best time to plant here. You can see our forest is green. I shall take you to the forest and see the forest in America. Yeah. Okay, that's enough.
Is the slug or worm good for your garden?
Yeah, a worm is very good for your garden because, so what happens if the plants are growing, when you plant seeds and when you plant your crops, they need air. So those worms go inside the soil. When they move inside the soil, they make spaces. So those are the spaces that the air goes through them, and the crops and the roots of the crops or the plant that you're planting, they have air to grow. Yeah, so another thing, those worms, they have what we call manure. Manure helps the plant grow healthy, so they help in decomposing or creating manure in the soil. Any other question about gardening, little man? Yeah.
Yes.
Yeah. So you asked why we are doing this with this rake, right?
Yeah.
So we are making sure that we are leveling the ground, because when we come to plant the seedlings, they are so tiny, so we don't want these large soil clods to suffocate them or to make them not breathe, you know. Yeah, in simple terms. Oh my God. Do you guys learn agriculture in school?
Aperture.
Huh?
Aperture.
What is that?
I don't even know.
Agriculture.
No.
Do you do farming?
I learned about seeds.
Oh, you learn about seeds?
Yeah.
Yeah, so you need to stick with me. I'll show you how we do it in Kenya. Right?
Yeah.
Yes, without cohunyereras. Okay.
Is plastic good for your garden?
No, plastic is not good. Like this one, so you should remove this one. So you said all these are trash. So this one, you should remove it because it's not good, because it will not rot or it will not decompose. So it will just stay in the soil forever, and it will be very harmful to your crops. So you should remove it. But all these other things like this, the grass, all this you're calling trash, this is good. It makes manure for the soil. You should pay me for this. These practical sessions.
I ain't paying you, bud.
What?
I ain't paying you.
You are paying me? Why are you paying me?
Nothing.
Jeez. Okay. Yeah, so now we are ready for planting. So what we're gonna do, we're gonna go buy some manure from the shop because we wanna plant in an organic way. We don't wanna use chemicals so that it can be healthy to our bodies. So we're gonna go buy some manure and come plant, and then we wait to feast on them. You must eat those greens, okay?
What are you doing?
So every time you finish working on your farm, on your garden, you have to clean. You have to clean your equipment, okay?
Okay.
You have to be a responsible young man. So you clean your equipment after finishing your job, okay? You don't just take them to the store and they are dirty. Are we together, young man?
Yeah.
So that's how we do it. You don't leave them dirty.
What happens if you leave them dirty?
Because they will become bad over time. Like they will not be useful. So like they will rust, they will break, so it's good to keep them clean so that you don't have to buy new ones, okay?
Okay.
Yeah. So that's what you should do every time you finish. Yeah. What do we call this?
Don't know. I actually don't know.
A rake.
I know that one.
You know that one? And this one?
I actually don't know that one.
So this one we call it a djembe. Say djembe.
Djembe.
Djembe, yeah. Okay, people, see you next time when we are planting. We're gonna enjoy these vegetables here at home. Organically grown. So guys, this is our forest. I've never been here. This is the first time I'm coming here. I hope we don't have any animals here, like dangerous animals, I think. So we just come.
Stop.
Yeah, so guys, this is our forest. Woo! This is my first time to come down here. I didn't know there's a river all the way down. It's beautiful. It's so quiet. So you can just come here for your meditation. You just sit down and meditate on things here. So you can show them around. That forest is very, 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 very quiet. It's serene, and we love it. Ooh, I think I need to act a movie here, right?
You sure?
Yeah. So guys, we are lost. We don't even know where we're going. We don't know where our house is. I'm scared. Yeah, we just, I used to be a scout, and I used to be in the President's Award where, you just go and you try to navigate your way. So I have my cousin here. He's trying to show me the way. Where are we going?
To the trampoline.
Where is it?
It's kind of the fight.
Maybe we came the wrong way. Where's the right way? Oh my God. Ooh, I can't seem to find the way. You say what?
I know my house is
I think it's the other side. You say what? Oh my God. We're in the middle of nowhere. Aquí tu me potea. John is the other side.